We're going to have our Live Oak Nature and Movement class online today, and it's so good to be here online with you all. We are on week 13, so get out your flip bags, and parents look for the supplies that say week 13 on them. But first, we're going to get started with our journals, and we are going to be talking about rainbows today. So find an empty page and draw a picture of a rainbow. Great job, guys. Okay, we're going to start with a song just to get us warmed up. We're going to shake our sillies out. Are you ready? Find a spot to move.
Shake our sillies out, shake our sillies out, shake our sillies out, and wiggle our waggles our way. We're gonna clap our crazes out, clap our crazes out, clap our crazes out, and wiggle our waggles our way. We're gonna jump our jiggles out, jump our jiggles out, jump our jiggles out, wiggle our waggles our way. We're gonna yawn our sleepies out, yawn our sleepies out, yawn our sleepies out, and wiggle our waggles our way. We're gonna shake our sillies out, shake our sillies out, shake our sillies out, and wiggle our waggles our way, and wiggle our waggles our way.
We're going to do our yoga now to stretch just a little bit. And we've been doing our yoga, my hands upon my head I place. Let's practice. I'm going to start in tree or mountain pose. My hands upon my head I place, on my shoulders, on my face. Remember, don't touch your face because we're working hard not to do that right now. And then we're going to get into star pose. Stretch those fingers out as far as they'll go. At my waist and by my side. We're going to bend at the waist. We're going to make our top half floppy and our bottom half frozen. Are you ready? And we're going to do ragdoll pose. And then behind me they will hide. We're going to do triangle pose. So 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and put our fingers behind us in triangle pose. See how far back they'll go. We're going to do warrior pose. Raise those fingers up high. I can raise them way up high. Let my fingers fly, fly, fly. Then clap, clap, clap. And 1, 2, 3. In child's pose. Stretch those fingers out as far out as they'll go. See if you can get your bottom to touch your heels. And see how quiet they can be. Let's take a deep breath in, smell the flowers. And blow out the birthday candles. Shall we do it all together? Let's go. My hands upon my head I place, upon my shoulders, on my face, at my waist, and by my side, and then behind me they will hide. Then I will raise them way up high, and let my fingers fly, fly, fly. Then clap, 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 and 1, 2, 3. And see how quiet they can be. Let's take a deep breath in, smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. Great job, you guys. So we've been learning about colors. We learned about red, yellow, green, blue, orange, purple. We learned about all the colors, and all those colors together make a rainbow. A rainbow is something that happens in nature when it rains and it's sunny at the same time. We're gonna do a song about it. Are you ready? Let's get our fingers ready, and we're gonna make the rain. Rain and sun. We're gonna make the sun. Rain and sun. Rain and sun make rainbow fun. And a rainbow is a big arch like this. You ready? We're gonna do it together 3 times. Rain and sun. Rain and sun. Rain and sun make rainbow fun. Rain and sun. Rain and sun. Rain and sun make rainbow fun. Rain and sun. Rain and sun. Rain and sun make rainbow fun. Great job, you guys. So next time it's raining, I want you to look outside and see if you can find a rainbow. We're going to be doing some rainbow activities today. And we're also going to review the colors we've learned. So first, we're going to make a rainbow. So, in your flip kit, you'll have this very special paper. It's kind of thin, and it might be in the flower shape or heart shape. There you go. You might want a large bowl or a plate to kind of set it on as we do our activity. But first, you're going to get your week 13 bag that has markers, and at the bottom should be a water pipette that you can use to squeeze water. Remember when we used these for the baking soda and vinegar experiment? I do, that was such a fun day. And then in your bag, you will also have some markers. So we're gonna take our flower and we're gonna color a rainbow on it. So, use your markers to color the outline, kind of stuck, there you go, of a rainbow. See what colors you've got in your bag. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. I'm gonna use the green next. And the dark blue. And we made a nice rainbow shape. You can also add different shapes too, just to kind of make it fun. I think I might make some clouds around it and maybe some raindrops. And maybe I'll draw the sun, because remember, to make a rainbow, it has to be raining and sunny at the same time. So here's my picture. And now is when the magic happens. So, we're going to come back over and put this on our plate or in your bowl. And remember how we talked about rainbows? Need rain. We're gonna make the rain here. So fill up your pipette with water and drop it onto your picture you just made. And give it a minute to kind of all get around, and look what happens. This beautiful picture. And you can put it in a sunny window, and it makes kind of like a sun catcher. Look at the rain, to my rain clouds. Isn't that beautiful? You can experiment and see what happens to the water, to the picture, when you add water to yours. We're gonna do one more activity. We're gonna do a rainbow scavenger hunt. So, get out your color pad, and you can use this to draw pictures of different things. But first we're gonna use it for a rainbow scavenger hunt. So I'm gonna do a couple with you. So the first page in my book, and your book might be in a different order, and that's okay, is red. So see if you can find something in your house that is red. Okay, I'll give you a minute, go. Okay, did you find something? Great job. I'll share with you what I found that was red. A red apple. Great job. Okay, are we ready for the next color? Okay. In my book, the next page is green. Ready? Go find something that is green. Ready, set, go. Great job. What did you find? Ooh, good work. I'll show you what I found that was green. This fun green cricket puppet. Okay, we're gonna do one more together. Ready? In my book, the next color is yellow. Go find something in your house that is yellow. Ready, go. Great job. What did you find? That's perfect. I found this beautiful yellow flower. Isn't that pretty? So use your color book to go on more color scavenger hunts. And when you find the thing, you can draw a picture of it on each page. I could draw a picture of my bright red apple on this page, and a picture of my green cricket on this page, and a picture of my yellow flower on this page. Great job, friends. Okay, we're gonna do freeze dance now. I have a rainbow song that talks about all the rainbow colors, and we're gonna do freeze dance with it. Are you ready? Find a space where you can move. And if you have a ribbon or a scarf, you can dance with that, or you can just dance with you can just use your body to dance. Are you ready? Or when the music stops, we're gonna freeze. Ready? Make a nice big rainbow with your arms. Freeze and dance.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
Freeze and dance.
Listen with your eyes, listen with your eyes, and sing everything you see. You can sing a rainbow, sing along with me.
Freeze and dance.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I
Freeze and dance.
sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
Freeze and dance.
Listen with your eyes, listen with your eyes, and sing everything you see.
Yeah, give it a
You
twirl.
can sing a rainbow,
Give me a
sing a
ballerina.
rainbow, sing along with me.
Freeze and dance.
Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing.
I want you to find what rainbow colors you can see this week at home. Maybe you can find rainbow colors in your toys. Maybe you can find rainbow colors outside. Maybe you can even find a rainbow in the food that you eat. Find out what you can find a rainbow with this week. we're gonna finish up with our yoga, and we're gonna finish up our book we've been working on, My Many Colored Days. Now that we've done all the colors, we'll see if we can do all the color yoga poses. Are you ready? My Many Colored Days by Dr. Zeus. Some days are yellow, some are blue. On different days, I feel different too. You'd be surprised how many ways I change on different color days. Oh, remember, we're gonna start with red. We're gonna start with that red horse who likes to kick his heels because he has lots of energy. Do we have lots of energy at home right now? I do some days. Are you ready? So we are going to stretch out. We're gonna get into downward dog pose, and then we're gonna kick our heels 5 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's slowly come up. Great job. And then we talked about yellow, like that yellow buzzing bee. Then comes a yellow day and whee! I'm a busy, buzzy bee. Sometimes our heads feel so full of ideas and thoughts that are going on that we feel like we're buzzing around like a bee. Let's be that busy, buzzy bee. You ready? We're gonna do ragdoll pose. So make your top half floppy and your bottom half frozen. And we're gonna bend at the waist. There we go. And be that bee going back and forth. Bzz, 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 bzz. Good job. Let's slowly curl back up. Good job. Take a deep breath in. Smell the flowers. And blow out the birthday candles. Let's see what the color is next. We learned about this color last week. Then all of a sudden, I'm a circus seal. On my orange days, that's how I feel. Do we ever have a silly day? Or maybe even just a silly hour where we're feeling a little silly, like a circus seal playing in the circus? That's how we feel on orange days. Are you ready? Do you remember this one we learned last week? We're gonna lay flat on our belly. And we're gonna put our head up and our arms up and our tail flipping back and forth like a seal playing in the water. We're gonna do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's slowly roll ourselves back up and take a deep breath in. Smell the flowers and blow out the birthday candles. Let's see what color is next. Oh, I love this one. Green days, deep, deep in the sea. Cool and deep, quiet, that's me. Like a green pufferfish, deep in the water, breathing in all that water. Here we go. Stack your legs on top of each other if you can. If not, just sit crisscross applesauce and take a nice deep breath. Remember, we're not gonna breathe from up here in our chest. We're gonna breathe from that big muscle, our diaphragm that's right above our belly. Are we ready? Fill up that diaphragm. And our biggest, deepest breath, smell the flowers. And blow out the birthday candles. Great job. Oh, purple. On purple days, I'm sad, I groan, I drag my tail, I walk alone. Look, he's feeling sad and lonely today. We might be feeling that way right now because we don't get to see our friends or do our normal routines. And it's okay to feel a little sad. We're gonna be like that dinosaur dragging his tail in triangle pose. Remember, for triangle pose, we're gonna put one leg forward, one leg back, and our hand up and our tail behind us. And then we're gonna duck that dinosaur head down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Let's slowly curl ourselves up. Take a deep breath in, smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. I have one last one that we haven't done yet. I'm gonna share with you today. Oh, black. Then come my black days, mad and loud. I howl, I growl at every cloud. Do we ever feel mad? Do we ever feel frustrated? Do we ever feel angry? We all feel that way. Even grown-ups feel that way sometimes, and that's okay. As long as we're sure to use it in a good way and not hurt ourselves or our property or our friends, then we just need to let it out. So we are going to let that mad out like a howling wolf. So we're gonna get down into downward dog pose. Here we go. And we are going to howl. Are you ready? We're gonna give out 5 howls. Howl! 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 And one last one, our biggest, deepest howl. Howl! Good job. Slowly raise ourselves up. Take a big deep breath. Smell the flowers. And blow out the birthday candles. That's what I like to do on the mad days, is take a nice deep breath to blow all that mad away. Let's see what happens after that on Rainbow Day. Oh my goodness, it's Rainbow Day. Look at all these colors we've learned about. Red and orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and even orange and black. Some days we feel that way. Some days we feel like we have all the colors swirling around inside of us. Then comes a mixed up day and wham! I don't know who or what I am. Right now we might be having some days like that, where things are a little different and our routine's a little different, and we might be having all the colors kind of swirling around inside of us. And that's okay. As long as we use them appropriately, take some deep breaths, maybe howl it out like that wolf, and then we'll get back to our normal self. But it all turns out all right, you see, and I go back to being me. And there he is, happy yellow. Thank you for sharing this day with me. It was so fun doing our unit about colors. Next week, we're gonna start our unit about outdoor science, one of my very favorite topics. So be sure to stay tuned for that. But before I go, let's take a couple deep breaths. Here we go, deep breath in, smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. And smell the flowers, and blow out the birthday candles. My favorite part about today was doing the rainbow color picture. Let's take one last look of how it looks now that all of the colors have soaked in. Isn't that beautiful? Have your parents post a picture of your rainbow color picture to see how it turned out. What was your favorite part about today? Thanks for sharing. See you next time.